Experiencing screen freezes or unresponsive apps in your Cadillac Lyriq? First, try a soft reboot. Simply press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system without deleting your data, similar to restarting a phone. If problems persist, a factory reset might be necessary. This erases all personalized settings, apps, and profiles, so back up any important data first. Access the factory reset option through Settings, System, Reset Options, but be aware that it requires a PIN or dealership code. Factory resets should be a last resort, as incorrect execution can void your warranty or cause data loss. According to a 2025 Cadillac dealership report, most infotainment issues are now resolved through software patches, making resets less frequent. If your Lyriq screen is completely unresponsive, perform the soft reboot as described earlier. For ongoing issues, ensure your Lyriq has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection for over-the-air updates. GM has released several updates, like version 4.2.3 in mid-2025, that improve system stability and reduce freezing. A user case study from 2024 highlighted that updating via GM's app after a factory reset reduced screen freezing by 60%. To prevent future issues, keep your software up to date, avoid exposing the infotainment system to extreme temperatures, and participate in online forums like r/Cadillac for community-driven fixes. Remember to back up your data regularly. Expert opinions from Consumer Reports suggest the Lyriq's infotainment is intuitive, but emphasize the importance of simplifying the reset process in future models. Future models are expected to have self-healing software that auto-diagnoses issues without user intervention.